This video walks you through how to use Mailchimp with Shopify. Start in your Shopify admin. From the left side menu, click Apps. This opens the area where installed apps and app options are managed for your store. From there, open the Shopify App Store so you can look for the integration you need. Once the App Store is open, go to the search bar and search for Mailchimp for Shopify. When the results appear, select the Mailchimp app from the list. This takes you to the app page where you can review the listing and begin adding it to your store. Click Install to add Mailchimp to Shopify. Shopify may take a moment to process the installation. After the app is installed, return to your Shopify admin and open the Mailchimp app from your apps area. Inside the Mailchimp app, click Connect Account. A sign-in window will open for Mailchimp. Enter your Mailchimp account details and sign in to continue. Make sure you sign in to the correct Mailchimp account before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one. After you sign in, Mailchimp will show the permissions it needs in order to work with Shopify. Review those permissions, then click Allow to authorize the connection. This approval lets the two platforms share the customer and store data needed for syncing. With the connection authorized, you will be asked to choose the Mailchimp audience you want to sync with your Shopify store. Select the audience that matches the customer list you want to use. This is the audience where synced Shopify customer information will be sent. Next, map your Shopify customer information to the matching fields in your selected Mailchimp audience. This is where details from Shopify, such as customer information collected in your store, are matched to the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. Take a moment here to confirm that each field lines up correctly so the right data goes to the right place. After the mapping is in place, review the synchronization settings, check that the correct Mailchimp audience is selected, and that the customer fields you mapped are still correct. This final review helps prevent syncing data to the wrong audience or placing information into the wrong fields. When everything looks right, click Start Sync. Mailchimp will begin syncing your Shopify customer data. Depending on the size of your customer list, this may take a little time. Wait for the sync to finish, then confirm that the connection is active and that Shopify and Mailchimp are connected properly. Thanks for watching. Your Shopify store is now connected to Mailchimp and syncing with the selected audience.